Hey guys, I'm from Tech Insider India, and here's a quick overview of the Boya BYM1 Lavalier microphone. First, let's start off with the design of this microphone. This mic has a really functional design as it comes with a clip and a foam windscreen for the mic itself. The mic can also be easily attached to a collar without any complicated mechanisms to deal with. Now let's talk about the specifications of this microphone. The Boya BYM1 is an omnidirectional microphone that offers a full 360-degree sound coverage. This makes it ideal for any kind of video setup. This mic also offers a host of connectivity options. Despite having a single 3.5mm connector, it can connect to a variety of devices from smartphones to cameras and even PCs. This is because it has a built-in switch that lets you connect to devices with different input specifications. This mic also comes with clever cable management features as well. It comes with a bundled Velcro tie that you can use to wind up the cable for easy storage. And on top of that, it also ships with a leather pouch that further adds to peace of mind. And that was a quick overview of the Boya BYM1 Lavalier microphone. I really hope you found this video useful, and thanks for watching.